Hey, bright learners! Are you ready for the World Cup? Football is the most exciting game on earth. Today, let's learn 30 simple sentences. Put on your shin guards, lace up your cleats, and let's go, go, go! The first World Cup was held in 1930.
The first World Cup was held in 1930.
The World Cup is held every 4 years.
The World Cup is held every 4 years.
This is the World Cup trophy.
This is the World Cup trophy.
The US, Mexico, and Canada are the host nations.
The US, Mexico, and Canada are the host nations.
This is a football, also called a soccer ball.
This is a football, also called a soccer ball.
Each soccer team has 11 players.
Each soccer team has 11 players.
A soccer field is also called a pitch.
A soccer field is also called a pitch.
The stadium has many fans.
The stadium has many fans.
We wave our national flags.
We wave our national flags.
A fan buys a jersey.
A fan buys a jersey.
The player puts on his shin guards.
The player puts on his shin guards.
He ties his cleats.
He ties his cleats.
The game kicks off.
The game kicks off.
This match is Netherlands versus Japan.
This match is Netherlands versus Japan.
He kicks the ball.
He kicks the ball.
Players pass the ball.
Players pass the ball.
The goalie catches the ball.
The goalie catches the ball.
He heads the ball.
He heads the ball.
He stops the ball with his thigh.
He stops the ball with his thigh.
He shoots the ball.
He shoots the ball.
The coach focuses on the game.
The coach focuses on the game.
The referee blows his whistle.
The referee blows his whistle.
The referee shows a yellow card.
The referee shows a yellow card.
The player gets a red card.
The player gets a red card.
Players rest at halftime.
Players rest at halftime.
He takes a free kick.
He takes a free kick.
He takes a penalty kick.
He takes a penalty kick.
He shows a bicycle kick.
He shows a bicycle kick.
The blue team gets a corner kick.
The blue team gets a corner kick.
They scored a goal.
They scored a goal.
The game lasts 90 minutes.
The game lasts 90 minutes.
They play extra time.
They play extra time.
They won the game.
They won the game.
They lost the game.
They lost the game.
They shake hands and say, "Good game."
They shake hands and say, "Good game."
Messi wins the World Cup for Argentina.
Messi wins the World Cup for Argentina.
Mbappé runs very fast on the pitch.
Mbappé runs very fast on the pitch.
Ronaldo scores many goals for his team.
Ronaldo scores many goals for his team.
Pelé wins 3 World Cups for Brazil.
Pelé wins 3 World Cups for Brazil.
Maradona is a legend in football history.
Maradona is a legend in football history.
Great job, bright learners! Now you know 30 soccer sentences. You are ready for the World Cup. Which sentence is your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!